Is your home address and phone number publicly listed for anyone to see when they look up your domain? Here's how to hide it instantly with Namecheap's free privacy protection. I'll show you exactly where to find the domain privacy settings on Namecheap's site and how to activate it in just a few clicks. So let's start by heading over to Namecheap's homepage. This is where everything begins. If you're already logged into your account, you're good to go. If not, just sign in real quick. Now, from the top navigation bar, look for the section labeled Security. I want you to click on that. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. And right there, you'll find an option called Domain Privacy. That's what we're after. Click on it. All right, so you're now on the Domain Privacy page. And here's where the magic happens. You'll notice a search box right in the middle of the page. I want you to type in the domain name you want to protect. Just type it in there. This is where you can check if your domain is currently exposed or if it already has privacy protection. Now, once your domain appears, you'll see a big green button that says Free Lifetime Protection for your domain. That button is your golden ticket. Click on it. And here's the really important part. You'll see a highlight appear on the screen showing you exactly where to look next. This is Namecheap confirming that your domain is eligible for their free privacy protection. It's a nice visual confirmation that you're on the right track. Now, click on Find a New Domain and Protect It. This might seem a little counterintuitive if you already own a domain, but trust me, this is where Namecheap lets you manage the privacy settings for domains you already have. Just go ahead and click it. You'll then see a list of options. There's a highlight here that shows you exactly which one to select. Go ahead and click on that highlighted option. This is where you're telling Namecheap, yes, I want to apply privacy protection to my existing domain. Finally, you'll see a button that says Activate your domain privacy protection service. Click on it. And just like that, your personal contact information is now hidden from public WHOIS records. No more spam, no more unwanted calls, no more identity theft risks. This might take a moment to process as Namecheap updates their system, but it usually happens almost instantly. Once it's done, your domain is protected. And the best part? It's completely free with Namecheap. I've tested this process myself, and it really is that simple. So now you know exactly how to check and activate domain privacy on Namecheap, from being completely exposed to being fully protected in just a handful of clicks. Go ahead and give it a try for all your domains.